Hello YouTube, Sheridan here with another unboxing video. If you like these unboxing videos then please subscribe, that'd be great. What I'm unboxing today is it's an Xbox Kinect. Finally decided to get one for myself after seeing people enjoying all the dancing games and the fighting games and all the jumping around and stuff. So yeah, let's get this baby out of the bag. Pop this bit open here. I mean, it's full of pies. The fucking box is full of pies.
Why did it have to be pie? Why did it have to be pie?
Why did it have to be pie?